If you've recently seen rewardscrumbl.com promising free crumble cookies through a fun cookie lover quiz, you're probably wondering whether it's a sweet deal or just another online trap, so I decided to test it and see what actually happens. The site claims that by answering a few simple questions about cookies and preferences, users can earn free crumble cookies rewards or gift cards, which sounds appealing and harmless at first. The quiz itself is short and entertaining, creating the impression that you're moments away from receiving a reward. But after completing it and clicking the claim button, the process shifts direction. Instead of receiving a reward, users are redirected to multiple third-party promotional pages that ask for additional sign-ups, surveys, or downloads. This reward flow resembles a classic lead generation funnel rather than a genuine giveaway. Another important detail is that the domain was registered in October 2025, making it a very new website with no established reputation or trust history. There is also no confirmed connection with the official Crumble Cookies brand, which raises questions about legitimacy and brand authorization. Additionally, the website lacks transparent contact information or clear company details, making it difficult to verify who operates the platform. After completing the process, no confirmed cookie reward or gift card was delivered, and the experience primarily involved promotional redirects. While the site does not immediately appear malicious, its structure strongly suggests a data collection and marketing funnel rather than a verified rewards program. So users should approach with caution and manage expectations before participating.